For those wondering, this is what 10,000 feet in the Hayuintas looks like right now. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's almost afternoon, but up here in the Hayuintas, waiting for my friends Corbin and Melody to join me, and then we're going to do some off-trail backpacking up to a lake, and hopefully there's some good fishing, and just looking forward to relaxing for a couple days. So we'll see you up there. So I'm going to set up my tent right there. Pretty excited about my new pillow. Finally got away from that Climate X pillow. Alright guys, so we are up here and we're about 10,000 feet right now. I'm a little surprised. There's a little more snow than we were expecting. Lake's about 80% iced over, but we had no idea what to expect. I'm not aware of anybody that's been up here this high yet this season. So at least we know what the conditions are like. And I've been fishing a little bit. I went by the inlet and I didn't catch any fish, but I did have two surface. I saw some fish. Saw some activity, so that's nice, but gonna do a little hike around camp right now and kind of explore the area, and we're still waiting for one more guy who should be up here any minute, so hopefully he makes it up here soon, and we're looking forward to having a good night.
Look how beautiful that view is, huh?
Yeah.
It's incredible.
I thought you were talking about me.
Well, you're pretty too.
Yep.
Fire to me.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
We got Colton, the Wasatch Back Explorer, finally made it up to join us. We were a little worried about you.
Yeah, I was too, so.
Alright guys, Colton and I ended up staying up pretty late. It's pretty close to midnight, but we're just getting in bed now. Had a great night, and we'll see you in the morning. I just woke up. It's about 1:30, and you can see it's snowing. Cool. Good morning, everyone. It snowed pretty good from about 1:30 to 3:30. Lake looks like it iced back over also. I always bring a fresh pair of socks, but you know, obviously with all this moisture up here, my feet got wet in my trail runners, so they're all frozen up. Got cold last night. Definitely one of those mornings where coffee comes from the vestibule. I really don't want to bust through.
Just be real careful. This one I only went not too deep when I did.
I don't know why I had to go freeze up on us like that.
I don't know, man. Luck of the draw, I guess.
And that's what we're dealing with again, back in our tents for about the third or fourth time, waiting out snowstorms. Just like that, the sun's back out. We're gonna get a fishing rig put together. Alright guys, it is 9 o'clock. I am back in my tent where I've spent a good portion of the day because it's been snowing on and off all day. It's definitely cooling off. I'm going to guess it's in the high 20s, but had a good time, and we're probably going to be in the tents the rest of the night and probably plan on waking up pretty early and getting packed up and out of here. So, see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's 6. Just had my coffee in my vestibule, and I'm taking a little walk around camp as the sun's coming up. Much, much warmer today and last night than the previous. So that's pretty cool. And the other guys are still in their tents, but I imagine they'll be moving around here shortly, and I'm going to start getting packed up so I can get hiking out of here pretty early. So, ready to go home.
get away from all the people normally.
This is just an incredible off-trail scramble. There's a waterfall over there we're gonna go look at, but we're making our way this way.
Now we gotta find our way around these cliff bands. Probably to the left, I'd assume. Yeah.
Alright guys, we are pretty close to where we're parked, so I'm going to end this edit, and like always I'll put links to the other guys' channels in my description below, so we'll see you next week.